This Soday 15-piece non-stick pots and pans set is a thoughtfully designed cookware solution that combines convenience, durability, and modern functionality in one complete kitchen package. Perfect for home cooks, small apartments, RVs, or campers. This set delivers a professional-grade cooking experience with the flexibility and practicality that everyday kitchens demand. Its versatile design allows users to prepare a wide variety of meals while saving significant storage space without compromising quality or performance. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. One of the standout features of this Soday cookware set is its space-saving design. The removable handles allow the pots and pans to stack compactly, reducing cabinet space usage by up to 75%. This is especially valuable for urban apartments, tiny kitchens, or RV owners who require efficient storage solutions without sacrificing functionality. The removable handles also make moving cookware from stovetop to oven or countertop effortless and safe. Performance and durability are top priorities for the Soday 15-piece set. Each pan and pot is coated with a premium nonstick surface that is free of PFAS, PFOA, PFOS, lead, cadmium, and other harmful substances. This ensures not only effortless food release, but also healthier cooking with less oil or butter. The nonstick coating is engineered for long-lasting performance, resisting scratches and wear from daily use while maintaining consistent results over time. The cookware's construction ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots for perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether sautéing vegetables, simmering sauces, frying proteins, or making delicate omelets, the Soday set provides reliable, consistent cooking performance across a range of stovetops. This set is compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, making it a versatile choice for virtually any kitchen setup. Additionally, the pots and pans are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, providing the flexibility to move dishes seamlessly from stovetop to oven without changing cookware. Safety and comfort are further enhanced by ergonomic, heat-resistant handles that clip on and off securely. The removable handles allow for controlled, confident handling, reducing the risk of burns or accidents in the kitchen. Paired with the sturdy tempered glass lids included in the set, these handles provide optimal control while cooking, monitoring, or serving meals. Cleaning and maintenance are effortless thanks to the high-quality non-stick coating and detachable handles. Food slides off easily with minimal effort, and most pots and pans can be quickly wiped clean or placed in the dishwasher for fast, hassle-free cleanup. This is especially helpful for busy households or individuals preparing multiple dishes in a single cooking session. Key features and benefits: space-saving design with removable handles that maximize cabinet storage. Premium non-stick coating for healthier, effortless cooking. Durable, scratch-resistant construction for long-lasting use. Oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile stovetop-to-oven cooking. Compatible with all major stovetops, including induction. Easy cleaning with dishwasher-safe convenience. Ergonomic and heat-resistant handles for safe, comfortable grip. Who this cookware set is ideal for? The Soday 15-piece non-stick cookware set is ideal for small families, apartment dwellers, RV owners, and health-conscious home cooks seeking a versatile, durable, and space-efficient solution. It is perfect for those who value practical storage solutions, effortless cleanup, and toxin-free non-stick performance while preparing a variety of meals for everyday use or entertaining guests. Final verdict: the Soday 15-piece non-stick pots and pans set combines efficiency, safety, and professional performance in a stylish, modern design. With its durable non-stick coating, removable handles, multi-stovetop compatibility, and easy-to-clean construction, it provides an all-in-one solution for kitchens of all sizes. This cookware set delivers exceptional value, reliability, and convenience, making it a smart investment for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience while saving space and time. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.